What's up and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be pretty exciting because it is a studio and vanity room tour. Yay! This will be the second studio that I've had and soon to be a third. As most of you guys know, I only less than a year ago moved to this place, which means I had a new studio to decorate and set up and make it all my own. But as life would have it, because we all know life just tends to happen with or without our permission, and we are moving again. So I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to completely take advantage of the fact that my studio and vanity room, as of right this moment, is pretty damn cute, if I do say so myself. So I'm gonna share it with you guys. And quickly before we get into the room tour, I just wanted to put it out there, if there is any specific thing in the room tour that you want any details on, please just leave it down below and I will be sure to share any and all information that I have with you. If you want to see this room tour video, then keep on watching. So let's start the tour. So when you first walk in, this is what you see. And we're back at the door. Here is where I like to keep some of the outfits that I plan to wear while filming. And also, it's my place that I like to display my necklaces. Look at all of that bling. Yes! Can you guess? This one right here is my favorite. All of my top necklaces are all on this one. And when you move over, there is a wire metal shelf that I use for display and just storage. On this top shelf here, I have a candle from, I believe, Winners. And some of you guys might notice this little setup here from my dollar store room decor. And the OG Fam Bammers will remember that mirrored mosaic vase right there. That used to be in the background as a permanent. Then we have that wall plaque, which I think everybody should live by. Love what you do and do what you love. Yes, girl. And of course, there's a clock so your girl can keep track of time. Then moving down to the second shelf. Now this shelf is so much fun. Not only do we have two hella cute little wall plaques there, we have a unicorn, a candle, we've got hair stuff, we've got a pink dog, but on each side of the second shelf, I have earrings hung. Those are all acrylic earrings I got from AliExpress. I will leave that video linked down below so you can check it out. I have some silver necklaces and I have some gold necklaces there. Then when you come on this side, yes, you guessed it, there is more acrylic earrings. They are quite big, but I like to have them displayed so it's easier for me to choose which ones go with my outfits and what have you. I'm so sorry guys if this seems a little bit breathy, but this camera ain't light. Then on the third shelf, I have my sunglass storage bin there. And this is just random stuff that I threw in here. And oh, I've got a Betsey Johnson bag in the back there. Then this bottom shelf here is where I put, of course, there's a wig that your girl has to freshen up and give it a little bit of a trim and just bring it back to life. So if you want to see a video on that, let me know. And yeah, that pretty much sums it up for that shelf. Then if we keep moving, this is the closet door here, which it just has some random things hanging. There's my Chanel bag that I got from a garage sale. There's my Angelina Wanga art that I absolutely love. Then there's a little accessory kind of storage bag thing behind there. Moving over, there is the art piece that I got this summer at a garage sale. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, hand painted. Yes, I am all for that. Then in this corner over here, this whole shelf here is literally all video. Every single shelf, every single bin is full of all upcoming video ideas. So let's do an up close shot. And right beside that shelf is my craft box for DIYs and all that kind of stuff. So if you haven't already, you better subscribe, join the fam, because you're gonna be missing out on a lot. Now, most of you guys probably know this background all too well. There is some new pieces to it. I'll do a quick pan over it so you can see close-ups. And this here I thought was absolutely adorable. It's a little fairy light string with silver clothespins, so you can hang up pictures or what have you, and it's absolutely adorable. That video will also be linked down below. So there is the whole overview. Then if we move over, the newest addition to my studio, and that is my cozy corner. Yes, I made it. So let's take a closer look. I have pillows and everything cute and cuddly all in one comfy place, and I absolutely love it. I am actually quite sad because since we're moving, the cozy corner is not coming with us, but I'm going to be building a new one in the new house, so get ready for that. Moving over, oh, hey girl. And down here, of course, you know your girl loves her shoes, so I've got some of my pairs of boots stored down there. Then this little corner of treasures is again all video ideas and clothing DIYs and all that, all ready, set, go. I just gotta grab from there and run with it. And now we're coming to the best place, which is my vanity. I recently got all of those lights up there so I could start doing beauty videos and sit at my vanity with the camera kind of where that little tabletop mirror is and film makeup videos. But now all of a sudden I'm moving, so everything is gonna have to get packed up again and moved into a bigger, better, fancier place, so not so bad. So now let's do a little close-up of the vanity. Those are all of the palettes that I'm using recently or lately. Let me move the mirror out of the way. Then I have my little dish of lip liners, eyeliners, scissors, tweezers, you know, the necessities. Then, yes, your girl has a huge makeup brush collection. Huge, like it's crazy. Then we move over and there is a little storage shelf of jewelry, earrings, bracelets, headbands, everything. And where all the magic happens, there is my Alex drawers with all of my makeup in it. And please let me know if you would like an entire makeup collection, because your girl is gonna be packing and unpacking and definitely gonna need to reorganize that mess, that's for sure. And then the last one is all brand new products, never been used. Then moving over from the vanity, shout out to me for making this adorable glitter mirror zebra print wall art. All three of them from the dollar store. Yes, good old Dollarama for the win. Then moving over from there, I have all of my, literally this is all just random stuff in each of those drawers. Some is for future videos, other drawers have like leftover beauty products, filled up memory sticks, cords, chargers, things like that. And this guy here is all this drawer sticks. So there's all craft stuff in each of these drawers for upcoming videos and DIYs and things like that. Then moving beside those, there is a little storage spot here that I have my tripod. That is actually a clothing rack that I use for backdrops. And this guy right here is actually a foldable table that you guys will start seeing a lot of in the new place, because that's how I'm going to do all of my fashion DIYs and altering and stuff like that. I'm so excited. And finally, we are back at the door. So what did you think about the studio? I absolutely love it. If you haven't seen my first studio room tour, I will leave that linked down below so you can check it out, because let me tell you, the space I have in this studio is so much bigger than the other one. And now, oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm gonna do with all of this space, because in the new place, holy Toledo, my studio room is even bigger. So I can't wait to share this entire journey with you guys. Thank you so much for all of the love and support you guys always show me. And please, please, please guys, make sure you're following me on all of my social medias. Those are always linked down below. And you might as well hit that subscribe button and join the fam jam. There is going to be so much new content, new videos, and let's be real, you don't want to miss any of the new exciting videos that I have in store for you. Anyways, guys, I am going to love ya and leave ya, but don't worry, I will see all of your beautiful faces in my next video. Mwah! Bye, guys.